Good morning, children. I welcome you all in my English class. So, children, today we are going to learn letter F, capital letter F. So, before that, children, I want to tell you something. When I will say that letter, you have to repeat after me. Okay, children? Now, come on, let's start. Now, children, this is your pre-primary reading and learning skills, my first book of alphabet. So we are going to learn alphabet from this book. So you have to open page number 7, and what we are going to learn, capital F. So today we are going to learn capital F. Say, children, this is capital F. This is capital F. And F sound is F. F sound is F. Repeat after me, children. F sound is F. This is capital F. F for frog. F for fruits. F for fish. F for fox. Repeat after me again, children. This is capital F. This is capital F. And F sound is F. F sound is F. F for frog. F for fruits. F for fish. F for fox. Now, children, we are going to write letter F. For that, you have to take out your English A My Skill book, page number 15, and we are going to write capital letter F. Now start writing. So first you can see date is written here. So first we'll write date in this box, 2020.5.2121. Parents, you have to write date here, and you can see classwork is already mentioned here, so we'll not write classwork. Now children, you all can see this is letter F, capital letter F. F for fox. So what we have to do, we have to trace and write the letter F. So we have to write capital letter F. How we'll write? We have to join the dots and complete letter F. Now we'll start writing. We have to join the dots and complete the letter F. So up to down, slowly we will write like this. First we'll write up to down standing line, then sleeping line, one more sleeping line. We have to join these dots and we have to complete letter F. Again we'll write up to down standing line, then sleeping line, one more sleeping line. So this is what we have written, letter F. Again we'll join up to down standing line. We have to join these dots and we have to complete the letter F. Sleeping line, then one more sleeping line. Again we'll write up to down standing line, we have to join, then sleeping line, one more sleeping line. Again we'll write up to down standing line, sleeping line, one more time sleeping line. So this is letter F we have written. One more time, children. Up to down standing line, sleeping line, Then one more time sleeping line. So which letter we have written? Letter F we have written. Again one more time, up to down, standing line, then sleeping line, one more time sleeping line. So we have written letter F. So like this you have to write in this whole page. Okay children? So today what we have learned? We have learned capital letter F and we have written also. So children, today we have learned and written capital letter F. Now listen children, I want to tell you one thing. You will get homework also. So do your homework neatly and carefully and send me back. Okay children? Do neatly your work and everybody has to do work and you all will send me. Okay? Now I am going. Take care children. Bye bye.